yourself.
Et dans son sang.
Only the best merchandise here. Slaves are the best of the best. Taking this dance will ensure the safety of you, your family and friends, and the good people of Port-au-Prince. Any rumors that may have begun to spread, well, they're notified here. Confirms that slaves were apprehended engaging in trade.
Que cherche-t-il donc à...
You think me a traitor?
Slaves will be safer for it.
Monsieur Gouverneur, if they felt safe at the plantation, do you think they would rebel?
Of course. Animal nature. Violence is the only currency that motivates them. Like coin to you. If you really want to protect your African friends, spread the word. Quiet them down. Otherwise...
You need not describe.
Discipline as they see fit. Could not raise a hand or hurt a fly. But the overseers have every right to discipline as they see fit.
Will not be necessary. I will deliver your message. The cost will be high.
We will both profit by.
Is there any other service you require, Gouverneur?
Oh, an old man like me. I dare say Guzan has exhausted me already.
Then show yourself out.
Madame Joseph. Expecting a package.
It. But not you. Where's l'Admiral? I see. And do you mean for me to meet the same fate? Look around. One threat, and these men will end you.
I bring no threat. Tell me, how do the Templars allow you to carry on like this?
I am only the messenger. But before you judge, remember, the Templars' coin, like any, will buy the freedom of men like you. I know this mark.
You know nothing.
You have the brand of a slave, the eloquence of a scholar, hands of a sailor, and an assassin's hood. Few weapons. I think the storm stranded you. What do you need? A ship? Shelter? These things can be had for the price of this parcel.
I need nothing I can't win for myself. But prove that what you promise is true. And perhaps something can be arranged.
Is this your game? Very well. Then you will do me a favor. Augustin Dufort is a very secretive man. First find his plantation contact and give him this message from the gouverneur. Augustin will give you all the proof you need. Repeat this password. Sili Badodo Krabla va manger.
Sili pas dodo, Krabla va manger.
Pas mal. A convincing baritone. Now I suggest you leave before my admirers get suspicious.
You will never win, slave! You want to...
I know this tune. Si ou pas dodo, Krabla va manger.
The wise man is down that path.
Thank you, sister.
pas si facilement.
Il va nourrir les corbeaux!
Do not let them escape. The river. Hurry before they bring more enemies.
Row faster, faster, idiot! This is as fast as I can go! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Augustin, Dieu fort.
Blanc dit sans fait. Bon Dieu fait sans dit. The French governor is two-faced. Bastien helps as she can, but Maroon independence is long to build. Longer now. A warrior like you would be a great asset to our cause.
With due respect, I serve a different brotherhood and am honor-bound to return as soon as I find the means.
But only the Iowa know when that will be. Meantime, I have sanctuary and weapons to share.
Perhaps our needs may align for a time. What do you need?
Recruits, liberated slaves. The warriors among them join me. The others grow the community for which we fight. Petit à petit, oiseau fait son nid.
I suppose I might lend a hand for a time.
Les petits bâchés. I will see that you are rewarded for whatever you can give. Best begin soon. There's much to do.
You